Ash, especially ash from burning wood, rice husks, or other organic materials, can be processed into liquid fertilizer with various benefits for plants. However, there are several things to consider to avoid negative impacts. Benefits of ash as a liquid fertilizer source of micro and macronutrients. Ash is rich in various essential nutrients, such as potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which plants need for healthy growth. Potassium aids in flowering and fruiting, resulting in better fruit quality and a more delicious flavor. Calcium plays a role in strengthening the structure of plant cells, stems, and leaves, and preventing flower and fruit rot. The main benefit of papaya leaves for plants is as a natural botanical pesticide to control pests such as caterpillars and aphids, and as an ingredient in organic fertilizer that enriches the soil. Papaya leaves contain active compounds such as papain, alkaloids, and flavonoids, which are toxic to pests and can also add nutrients to the soil. As a botanical pesticide controlling pests, the papain, alkaloids, and flavonoids in papaya leaves function as contact poisons that can kill or repel various pests such as caterpillars, aphids, mealybugs, and termites. Mechanism of action. Papain functions as a poison that disrupts insect digestion. Carpane alkaloid inhibits bacterial activity and acts as a neurotoxin that disrupts pest movement. Flavonoid attacks the insect's nervous system, thereby reducing its ability to move. How to make: crush papaya leaves, soak them in water, and then add other ingredients such as charcoal or ash to increase their effectiveness. This solution is then filtered and sprayed onto plants or the growing medium. As an organic fertilizer, green manure. Papaya leaves can be used as an organic green manure, applied by watering or spraying them to fertilize the soil and plants. Liquid organic fertilizer. Papaya leaves can be processed into a liquid organic fertilizer by boiling or fermenting them with other ingredients such as rice washing water and brown sugar. Adding nutrients. Papaya leaves contain various essential minerals such as potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are good for soil fertility. You'll want to remove yellowing plant leaves before applying liquid organic fertilizer. This helps redirect energy and nutrients from the fertilizer to healthy, productive parts of the plant. Here are some reasons why removing leaves is beneficial. Encourages new growth. Pruning yellowing leaves encourages the plant to redirect its energy to new shoots or leaves. Reduces the risk of disease. Yellowing and wilting leaves can become breeding grounds for fungi and pests. Removing them prevents the spread of disease to other parts of the plant. Improves nutrient absorption. By removing unproductive leaves, nutrients from the fertilizer are channeled more efficiently to parts of the plant that need them most, such as healthy leaves, flowers, or fruit. Improve nutrient absorption. By removing unproductive leaves, nutrients from fertilizer are efficiently distributed to parts of the plant that need them most, such as healthy leaves, flowers, or fruit. Helps reduce nutrient waste. Yellowing leaves often no longer photosynthesize effectively. If not removed, the plant will continue to waste energy and nutrients trying to maintain them. Speeds recovery. If yellowing is caused by issues such as nutrient deficiencies or excess moisture, removing damaged leaves will help the plant recover more quickly after applying the correct fertilizer. How to remove yellowing leaves. Use clean tools. Use sharp, clean scissors or a knife to cut the leaves to prevent the spread of infection. Cut at the base of the stem. Cut the leaf stalk as close to the main stem as possible without damaging the stem tissue. Discard the cut leaves. Be sure to dispose of yellowing leaves away from the plant to prevent them from becoming a source of disease or pests. After cleaning the plant, apply liquid organic fertilizer according to the recommended dosage and instructions. Cleaning plant leaves is beneficial for preventing the spread of pests and diseases, helping the plant focus its energy on new growth, and ensuring optimal absorption of sunlight and nutrients. Pruning yellowed leaves also helps maintain the plant's aesthetics and allows it to produce healthier new shoots. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, can be applied by spraying it onto the leaves or pouring it directly onto the soil. Spray it in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., with a boiling POC solution, for example, 1 liter of POC for 10 liters of water. Then spray it evenly on the undersides of the leaves. Alternatively, pour the POC solution directly onto the plant's root zone near the stem. Application method: prepare the solution. Mix POC with clean water. The general dosage is 1 liter of POC for 10 liters of water, but check the instructions on the packaging as dosages can vary. Shake the POC thoroughly before mixing and using. Choose the right time. The best application times are in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., when the leaf stomata are wide open and the sun is not too hot. Avoid spraying during inclement weather or before rain. Spraying application. Spray the POC solution evenly onto the underside of the leaves. Do not spray directly onto the fruit or flowers. If it rains within an hour of spraying, repeat the spraying. Otherwise, there is no need to repeat the application. Pouring application. Pour the POC solution directly onto the plant's root zone around the stem. This method can be used at any time. The dosage can be increased if pouring it onto the stem and roots, especially if using a 1-liter bottle cap, which is usually equivalent to 10 cc. Frequency. Application can be done regularly, for example, weekly or every 10 days. During the dry season, apply every week. During the rainy season, apply every 3 days. Advantages of liquid organic fertilizer. Improves and maintains soil fertility. POC works to build soil quality long-term and does not damage its structure, unlike chemical fertilizers. Increases soil microbial activity. POC stimulates the growth of beneficial microbes, which are crucial for nutrient cycling and soil health. Environmentally friendly. Derived from organic materials, POC minimizes negative impacts on the environment and supports biodiversity. Contains complete nutrition. In addition to macro and micronutrients, POC also contains bioactive substances such as vitamins and enzymes that support plant metabolism. Easy to produce and apply. POC can be made at home and is easy to apply, especially by spraying it directly onto the leaves for rapid absorption. Improves crop quality. The combination of natural nutrients and bioactive substances can improve overall crop quality. Signs of healthy plants after being fertilized with organic fertilizer include rapid plant growth, bright green leaves, and loose, blackish-brown soil. Furthermore, the soil will have a thick layer of humus and smell like earth, not rotten, and retain air well. Signs in plants' rapid growth. Plants grow faster and stronger than before. Bright green. Leaves are a bright, healthy green, not yellow or pale. Good harvest. When harvest time approaches, yields will be better. Strong roots. Root growth becomes stronger and more dominant. Signs of soil loose texture. The soil becomes loose and not hard, making it easier for roots to penetrate and absorb nutrients. Blackish-brown color. The soil color changes to blackish-brown, indicating a complete nutrient and organic matter content. Thick humus layer. There is a thick layer of humus on the soil surface, which is a source of nutrients and organic matter. Earthy aroma. The soil has an earthy aroma, not a rotten or pungent odor. Air retention capacity. The soil can retain air well without becoming soggy, thanks to the hollow structure of the humus layer.